my name is Chelsea Stokes, and I'm the Practice Director for Field Service here at Kelley Austin. My passion for Salesforce and specifically field service began about 10 years ago when I was working as an oil field engineer. My company was not digital at all. Our dispatcher used a whiteboard to manually schedule our entire field service team, and when we needed to get consumables from the warehouse, we'd have to go in person and spend about 10 minutes looking around to try and find a part that half of the time wasn't in stock to begin with. I experienced firsthand so many of the pain points that service companies continue to face today. When I finally convinced my director to let me implement an inventory management software system, I found so much satisfaction in that project, and I knew I wanted to change careers to help other service companies become digital. Shortly after that, I left my job, I became a Salesforce consultant, and the rest is history. I really enjoy saving people time and eliminating manual steps, so my favorite Salesforce feature to implement has to be the Salesforce Field Service Dispatcher Console and the automation logic behind it. I especially love when I watch my customers' reactions when I demo for the first time that feature, and they see how, with the click of a button, their entire field service team is scheduled in the most optimal and efficient way possible. And it's all based on the scheduling policies and objectives that are most important to the customer. A fun fact about me is that I used to take boats and helicopters to work when I worked in the field. But now that I work from home, my commute's much more boring.